Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is me Sanjana. In this video, I'll be showing my 2022 planner which I ordered from Space and Beauty. Last year I ordered my 2021 planner from Pop It Out. For a change this year I ordered it from Space and Beauty. So let's get started with the freebies first. They have given a pocket notebook with white pages. I can carry this with me when I travel out. They have given a to-do list. I think it has some pages around 50, not sure. And a cute postcard. I would definitely love to post this to my loved one. So yeah. And some notes where I could mention important points or related to my craft or my daily needs. So yeah. A cute bookmark. So they have also included the play cards, and the prints of the play cards are very cute, but unfortunately I won't be using this card as I have zero knowledge about it. They have also included a badge which says "You Go Girl" and a pop socket, and the prints of the both are very good. And also the freebie includes a A4 size notebook which says MySpace, and it has around 70 pages I think, and the color of the book is in baby pink. Here comes the ultimate sticker book. OMG, it has some 1,000+ stickers in it and I'm eagerly waiting to use them. And here comes our 2022 planner. Now let us take few moments to appreciate the planner. Last year I ordered a spiral bind planner, but this time I didn't had any options, so I had to go with the hardbound planner. And the hardbound of this planner is in very good quality. And the planner is designed in a very beautiful way which says MySpace and stars around it. Both are coated with the gold foil and which looks very beautiful. Now let's get into the planner. I had thought of adding some stickers and a pouch in the front page. And the next comes the fabulous me, my details. And the next is all about me, my personal details, the real me, details like favorite dish, places to hang out, outfits I love, shop, etc. Here we have the resolutions of the year where we can write all our goals and the affirmation of the year. Here I have a record page of my birthday which is segregated in many columns like I turn, how many years, plans for a day, etc. Next I have a memory board where I can stick the pictures or note down any important memorable moments. Next page we have dream journal where I'll be using all my journaling ideas. Deep secret, I don't think so I'll be using this page because I'm a person who don't write all the secrets in the book, but I'll be sharing, but I won't be writing it. Fantasy board. Next page we have a vision board where we can write down all our wishes, like wish to see something, wish to fulfill something, etc. Here comes very interesting, the level 10 goals where we can write all our goals related to our personal development, finance, self-control, health, fitness, happiness, spirituality, etc. Next comes the idea board where you can pen it down all your ideas. The achievement board. Here we have a page dedicated to the travel, that is travel goal, where we can pen it down all our things to buy, things to do, totally random, packing list, etc. So here's a page called my world. So I'll be filling this page with the names, I guess, the important members in my life. Here is a page dedicated to my life partner where I'll be maybe I'll be doing something else in this, not exactly, but I'll figure it out. And the other page is dedicated to my mom, my father, my siblings, my BFF, my gang, and my priorities. Next we have a section called Bookstagram where I'll be using it in a different manner. Next we have wall of movies where I can note down all the movies I have watched in a year, or I can stick the pictures. Next page we have TV shows watch list where I can note down all my TV shows which I'm watching or which I want to watch. Quotes for the year. Here is another column which says my money where I can note down all my income, expenses and what all I saved for the month, and a special column for savings. Next we have a page dedicated to our mood tracker and also a period tracker. So the next page is dedicated to a sickness where I can track all my sickness for the year. Now this page is dedicated to our body where I can note down all my weights and the measurements according to the months. Now next page is dedicated to our improvement plan, and we have different sections in it like body, mind, relationship, etc. This page is called a secret rituals, and we have sections in it like morning routine and evening routine, and the next is the product I use. The next page is a cleaning schedule where we can track all our monthly, weekly, annually cleaning schedules. Next we have my social fandom and my password. Next we have a subscription page where we can note down all our subscriptions like Netflix and some other OTT apps. Next we have who borrowed what, it might be anything like money, things, etc. Here is a page dedicated to gifts where we can note down all our gifts we received in a year and also the best days of the year too. So from here we'll be looking after our monthly spreads. How beautiful is this? So here is the monthly calendar layout. So here comes the monthly wise daily layouts where we can use it as a journal or as a diary. At the every end of the month, we'll have a section at the end where we can write our reviews, reflects and respond. Next, you have a current obsession page where you can pen it down all your current obsessions under eating, listening, traveling, celebrating, etc. And you have an habit tracker page too. And here you have a sleep tracker at every end of the month and an expense tracker page. This page is dedicated to a meal planner. Now all the layouts of the other months will be same as this month, so we'll just have a quick flip through of all the months cover page. After December, we have some mandala prints over here where we can show our coloring skills. It's a kind of self-care activity. And we have some nail art over here and also the doodle pad and my playlist where I can note it on all my favorite songs and some pen it down pages. And also we have self-portrait and an empty pages at the end. So here we come to an end of the planner. I'm very much excited to use MySpace 2022 planner. So I have also shared a link in my description in case you want to place an order. So here we come to an end with the planner. Wish you all the best of luck for the year of 2022. May this year will be your year and with some new adventures and some good fortunes. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit a bell icon so that whenever I upload any video you can get to know it easily. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.